Sometimes you want to do something really special for your person. इसलिए मैं हूँ यहाँ to help you out with the perfect date night menu. और ये सब कुछ बनेगा in this one appliance. तो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं प्रॉपर 3 course meal for your special someone. So there's going to be an appetizer, main course, and of course we can't forget the dessert. So now without further ado, let's start with the appetizers. काफी easy होने वाला है क्योंकि सब कुछ इस ninja combi में बनने वाला है.
Now bao buns you all know right? Soft pillowy buns जिसको हम pair कर रहे हैं with a crispy chicken katsu. पहले तो yeast को कर लेंगे bloom in warm milk and water. Then add in the maida और इसे एक soft dough में knead कर लेंगे. Now to prove this, इसे डालेंगे in the combi pan and let this sit for an hour at 35 degrees Celsius. Jab towel हो जाए size में take it out और इसे ऐसे shape करना है using a rolling pin. And don't forget to brush some oil inside. अब यहाँ पे आता है the ninja combi, which makes this extremely easy. Water goes in the combi pan and the bao sits on the crisper tray, and then the steam mode does the rest. No steamer, no balancing plates over boiling water, just perfectly soft and fluffy bao buns. अब bao buns ready है. Let's start with the chicken. Chicken को lightly season करेंगे with salt, pepper and olive oil, and then beat this up for an even thickness. और इसे वो crispy coating देने के लिए पहले ये जाएगा in the seasoned flour, shake the excess off, then the egg wash, and last में pan को bread crumbs. Press hard और make sure करना that every crevice is coated through. And now we load these onto the baking tray. Brush करेंगे with a touch of oil. You can also use oil spray if you have it. और अब इसका air fry mode will do the magic. The goal is to have it crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So इसे air fry करेंगे for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or until GBD and crispy. Take it out and let it rest for 2 minutes and then slice it up into thin strips like this. Now comes my favorite part, the assembly. First bun पे goes cucumber slices, a chili oil slaw, your crispy katsu, थोड़ा drizzle करेंगे a sriracha mayo, and finishing it with some spring onion greens on top. And now just look at that. Your appetizer is ready to be served.
Oh, now look at this. Chicken एकदम beautifully cooked हुआ है, अंदर से बहुत ज़्यादा juicy है, and the bao buns are extremely soft. So I can't believe this is made in this.
Now for the main course. Chicken thighs को marinate करेंगे with salt, white pepper, garlic powder, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and vinegar. Mix it up अच्छे से, and now let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. जब तक ये marinate हो रहा है, let's wash our rice. So इसे 3 से 4 बार wash करना है जब तक पानी एकदम clear नहीं हो जाता. Then the rice goes on the combi pan और इसमें add करेंगे 1 liter of water, touch of oil, cinnamon, star anise, and a bay leaf. So place the thighs on the bake tray, and this is exactly what the ninja combi is designed for. So इसे रख देंगे in the combi meal mode for 10 minutes. जब तक ये cook हो रहा है, मैंने बना लिया एक quick सा gochujang glaze, which will give it that umami spicy kick. अब एक बार chicken roast हो जाए, just take it out and glaze it up using a brush. बिल्कुल इस तरह. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, your rice will also be done. So take that out, and now just look कि rice कितना खिला बना है. So now the rice is done. अब broccoli के florets लेंगे और इसे भी season करेंगे with a touch of olive oil, salt and pepper. Put it in for 8 minutes on the grill mode, and now just look at that char. Come on, everything comes together at the same time, which honestly feels like I'm cheating a little bit. और ये मेरा favorite part है, of course, the plating. पहले goes your perfect and fragrant steamed rice, then the roasted broccoli, and last में your juicy gochujang glazed chicken thighs. थोड़े cucumber slices on the side, and now your main course is ready to serve. Looks amazing, good amount of protein, and I'm sure your date would love this.
Now the main course. Chicken thighs honestly smells ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Obviously extremely juicy, but the rice, oh my god, the rice in this is something else. And also just see the char on the broccoli.
Now every good date has to have the best dessert. That's why I've chosen a creme brulee. It's luxurious, creamy, but very easy to make. But इस वाले हम थोड़ा twist देंगे. Instead of a classic vanilla custard, we're using black sesame seeds. It's rich, nutty, slightly earthy, और बहुत beautifully pair करता है with that crisp caramel layer on the top. So basically toasted black sesame की powder को honey के साथ mix करना है और एक दूसरे sauce pan में heat up your cream with the sesame mixture. ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं करना है. Just when you see a little bit of steam, it's done. Now we need to temper these egg yolks. So 5 egg yolks को separate कर लेंगे. Now add in your hot cream धीरे-धीरे and keep whisking continuously. पूरा mixture में जाए. अच्छे से whisk it up until you get a lump-free mixture just like this. Now pour these into ramekins और अब इसे gently bake करना है on the crisper tray with water underneath. After 30 minutes, these are set, and now comes my favorite part. Add some granulated sugar on top and touch it up until it becomes beautifully caramelized. जो से देता है वो class-like crust on top. This never gets old. If a creme brulee doesn't sound like that, it's just not the same.
Now the dessert. I mean, just hear this. Look at this. So creamy. A perfect end to a date.
You know, usually itna sab banana feels thoda hectic, but surprisingly the whole process felt very relaxed, which obviously thanks to the ninja combi.
Now with that said, do try these recipes out. और अगर आपको भी hassle free cook करना है without changing 5 different appliances, go definitely check out the ninja combi multi cooker. And until then, I'm going to see you in the next one.